But Kevin, one of the themes throughout the conference call, it was a good conference call, was the actual sea change in our country, the move to the suburbs from the city. You guys dominate the city. And I was wondering whether it's going to be that lucrative to do what I was hoping you'd do, which is take advantage of the empty real estate and put the fast through. Instead, it sounds like it's the drive-through that's going to make it. And also, what do you do with places like the beautiful roastery? I don't want to go to the roastery. I think it's unsafe.
Well, first of all, the shift that we see in consumer behavior has been certainly as people work from home and school from home. You know, they'll visit the Starbucks that is closer to their home. So a lot of the shift in traffic has been out of central business districts into more suburban areas. Now, fortunately, over the last 10 years or so, we've been building a lot of new stores in suburbs. A lot of them have drive-throughs. Those are helping us significantly right now. But we're not abandoning central business district. In fact, what we're doing is what we're calling trade area transformation. We're transforming that central business district by repositioning stores. And repositioning stores means the following. We're going to shift some percentage of those stores to this new Starbucks pickup format because we know that's what many customers in those central business districts want. Think of it as a walkthrough where a drive-through is appropriate in a suburban market. And so with that repositioning, in some cases, we are closing an existing Starbucks store that's more of a cafe to then sign a new lease and reposition and build one of those Starbucks pickup stores. That transformation is going to take place over the next 12 months. That is also giving me a lot of optimism about the future. Why? Because anytime you see a massive disruption, whether it's a technology disruption or a disruption in consumer behavior, I believe it is those businesses that identify the disruption and understand how that's going to shift in the future. Those that invest early and get there first are often the big winners. That's exactly what we're doing. We're accelerating trade area transformation over the next 12 to 18 months in those dense metropolitan areas, and that's going to serve the company well.
Kevin, existentially, because you and I know each other for many, many years, the third place I like to go, read the paper. People still read papers, read a book. There's one on the Upper East Side. I got some time. I just get in, sit there for a while. How can Starbucks still be our third place when there's some people who don't wear masks who seem to be bent on infecting me with an illness that I don't think would be very good to have?
Well, it's a great question, Jim. What we've optimized for right now, today, in the world of COVID, are customer experiences that are safe, familiar, and convenient. Now, by being safe, all the store protocols we have, we require masks in our stores, we have social distancing in our stores. We know how to operate in a safe environment. Now, what a lot of people are craving right now, they've been, sheltering at home, working from home, schooling at home, is something familiar, safe, familiar, and convenient. That's what we've optimized for right now. But we're doing it in a way that really preserves that third place experience, because think about what's going to happen post-vaccine, post-therapeutics. We're all kind of suffering from this shelter at home fatigue. We want to get out. Human beings want to get out and they want to socialize. They want to be part of a community. They want to sit there and enjoy their coffee with others in their community or with their colleagues or their friends, or they want to sit and read the newspaper in our stores. What we found today, we've now opened over 60% of our stores in the United States for limited seating. And the minute we open for limited seating, customers come back. And they're in the store, limited seating. But here's my prediction. Once we get post-vaccine and post-therapeutics and we're able to then reopen that third place, there's going to be more demand than there has ever been because people are craving that third place experience. We are craving human interaction. We're craving the opportunity to be a part of a community and to socialize with others. And so we're going to serve safe, familiar, convenient right now, but we are setting up for that period post-vaccine, post-therapeutics, where people come back and they enjoy that third place experience that they've known for decades.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.